Why follow the crowds to over-touristed hotspots when you can uncover hidden gems that offer authentic, fresh travel experiences? These emerging cities are redefining what it means to explore the world. And today, we're diving into 3 that deserve a spot on your travel list. Let's start in Northern Europe with Aalborg, Denmark. Known for its rich Viking history, Aalborg has undergone a cultural revival, blending the old with the new. Explore the stunning waterfront, where modern architecture meets historic charm. For art lovers, the city boasts an impressive lineup of modern art museums, like Kunsten Museum of Modern Art. And don't miss Musikens Hus, a vibrant hub for music and performances. Aalborg offers an intimate blend of Scandinavian charm and innovation. It's small enough to explore on foot, but full of big surprises. Next, we head to Montreal, Canada, a city where French flair meets North American energy. Walk through old Montreal's cobblestone streets to take in its historic architecture and European ambience. Montreal is also famous for its festivals, like the International Jazz Festival and Just for Laughs, which attract artists from around the globe. And for foodies, the city is a paradise. From its iconic poutine to a growing fine dining scene, Montreal's culinary diversity is unmatched. This city is a fusion of cultures, traditions, and modern innovation. Finally, let's visit Nairobi, Kenya, a city where urban life and nature coexist in a way that feels almost magical. Nairobi National Park is right on the edge of the city, offering the rare chance to see lions and giraffes against a backdrop of skyscrapers. Nairobi isn't just about wildlife, though. The city buzzes with life, from its bustling markets to its thriving art scene. It's a place where you can shop for handmade crafts in the morning and enjoy fine dining in the evening. Nairobi captures the best of both worlds, urban excitement and a connection to nature that's hard to find elsewhere. These cities are redefining travel, offering unique experiences that break away from the usual tourist trails. So, are you ready to explore these rising stars of the travel world? Let us know which one you'd visit first in the comments below. Subscribe for more travel inspiration